Hello all and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back for another amazing video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to transform this headboard, how to transform your normal headboard or boring headboard to a more luxurious headboard and more modern and beautiful. So make sure to stay till the end of the video to fully understand all the steps that are followed while transforming this video. So let's start this video. So as you can see on the screen, I'm just preparing my boards. These little pieces that I'm cutting here on the screen, this one are for the adjustment layer or I'm going to be using them to increase the height of the headboard, because most of my clients always want their headboard raised. So here, as you can see on the screen, I'm simply joining the pieces that I've already cut. This is by making the adjustment layer, the part that I'm going to increase on the headboard. So if you like this kind of content, make sure to like our videos, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we put up these amazing videos. This is where you learn one or two from us. Simple DIYs. I usually use simple tools that anyone can use at home. If you've been following me on my videos, I usually use this contact glue in all my DIYs, that is applying on the surface that I'm going to use and also on the material that I'm using. As always, I usually use this needle while doing my tufting, and also a staple gun, and today I'm going to be showing you how I usually use these staple guns. And I have the packets of staples, I have the buttons ready, so let's start making the pattern. So be keen in this part, don't skip, don't forward, just watch the steps as I do this tufting so that you may learn something from us or something from this video. And don't forget to like this video. Now here, as you can see on the screen, after passing the strings to the other side, that is the back, using the needle, I usually staple them on the frame, as you can see on the screen. So that is basically what usually goes on at the back. You just pass the strings and then you staple them. And also, while making this tufting, you just need to go on while straightening the lines, that is to bring out a neat work. So I hope you have learned something. This is one of the sideboards for the headboard that I usually use in my videos. They usually act as a design for these beds that I usually transform. Also, they act as a support, that is, they support the original headboard and the new mini headboard that I usually add, that is the adjustment layer. Also, I'm adding this corkers on these sideboards. This is because this is the design my client decided to go with. They add a little taste or design to this bed. So I've already made 2 of them, and I'm going to attach them to the sides using nails. As you can see on the screen, I'm nailing them to the headboard. So that is basically the purpose for this one. After that, I'm done with the headboard, and also I've done the lower side of the bed and also the sideboards, as you can see on the screen. So now let's see in the final reveal, and tell me in the comment section.